Ka Social Welfare Department Government of Meghalaya kalakot application ya ki candidates ki bala ban apply ki bade ki nongsong shnong jongkari India ya ki post ki ba like haka contract basis haka one step center ha East Jaintia Hills District Kleriat. Kelas date ban submit ya ki application form kalong haka strik benai spell arajar arpel. Ka post name ke banekong case worker ke post kalong tangkaway. Place of posting Kleriat. Kerta kalong khat pras name hadok lai per ars name. Kajing sew kalong arpasan hajar shibenai. Ki kerdan pule kalong pidai ban pendap ya ka bachelor degree in social work lani law degree. Ka experience kalong lies name haka violence against women. Ka post name ka baar security night guard. Ka post kalong tangkaway. Place of posting Kleriat. Kerta kalong khat pra hadok lai per ars name. Kajing sew kalong pra hajar shibenai. Ki kerdan pule kalong pidai ban pas ya ka class 8. Pidai bandon ya ka experience as name haka security guard. Ki candidate ki bala ban apply bat ki ba interest ki dai ban submit ya ki application haka standard form syaka office jongka district social welfare officer East Jaintia Hills District Kleriat. Pidai ban attach artli ki passport size photograph jongpi haka application form. But yaki application form jongpi pidai ban bulang yaki attested copies ki badon kam. Ka self stamp envelope pidai ban pensyai bha ke ka post ba pi apply. Yaka application standard form pila ban download na ka link ka bangil ai hapok ka description. Te perlok perjor sngeu ba ban ai yaka cingkersyan da ka ba pi like share but subscribe ikani ke video kenang bangin la ban wanra ya shibon kicing bentip kublai shibon ngin sai kendo hakawai pat ke video.